Good girls are attracted to bad boys and nice guys, they always finish last. Tapi betul ke statement tu? Let's examine it. Maybe you're one of those nice guys and you're wondering this. Aku ni dah cukup baik dah. Tapi pasal apa I always attract those mean women? Well, the truth is, being nice is not the same as being clear. Nice guys ni kadang-kadang mereka tak set boundaries, tak lead, tak express apa mereka betul-betul nak. Mereka takut nak offend, takut to lose the girl. So, mereka just ikut je. And over time, mereka punya partner start to lose respect. Attraction pun hilang. Good women with feminine energy doesn't respond to nice. They respond to certainty. And certainty is masculine. A grounded masculine man, he's calm, he's kind, but he's also clear. He knows what he wants. He communicates and he stands by it. This is why we always hear perempuan suka bad boys. But it's not because they are bad. It's because they are clear and they are certain. The good news for you nice guys out there, you don't have to be bad. You just have to be masculine. Healthy masculine. So don't just be nice. Be clear. Be grounded. Be a man she can trust to lead.